Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Nissan Navara D22 STR dual cab chassis ute. Stock reference number 4403. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 4th month 2005. There's a VG33 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. VG33 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand front. It's fitted with a set of aftermarket King Sunraysia style steel wheels, all with Mickey Thompson tyres, 16 inch. Left front is a good tyre. Left flare type guard appears to have no damage. Manual door mirror. Both left hand doors have wobbles throughout the centre. Left rear 16 inch steel King Sunraysia wheel with a Mickey Thompson tyre. It's got an aftermarket Triple M alloy tray without sides but with all bolts and fittings, lights and guards. Tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, factory type. Right hand rear wheel, 16 inch King Sunraysia with a Mickey Thompson tyre. Right rear door has wobbles throughout the centre. Right manual door mirror. And a right front 16 inch King steel Sunraysia style wheel with a Mickey Thompson tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central Loctite. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, grey centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.